The term Ayurveda means knowledge Veda, concerning maintenance of life, Ayu. The origin of this knowledge is already evident in Atharvaveda, the contents of which can be dated between circa 1500 to 1000 BBC. Atharvaveda is one of the four ancient time immortal Hindu scriptures, viz. Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvaveda. The treatment of diseases, chikitsa, in the Atharvaveda is largely religious and ritualistic. Emphasizing such practices is the sacred chanting of mantras and hymns. Penances, Niyam, amulets, money, fire sacrifices, Havans, Upvas, Vedic fasting, and prayashchit. Purification rites, but Atharvaveda also contains material about human body anatomy, physiology, herbal formulations, and classification of diseases. Those trained in this knowledge are known as Vaidya. Mythologically, this knowledge was first revealed to Brahma, Hindu god of creation, in meditation, and then he gave it to Prajapati, who in turn passed in tradition to Ashwini, kumars and Indra. Surgery, shilya, was revealed by Indra to Devadasa, the king of Kasi, who was also known as incarnation of Divine Dhanvantari, culminating finally in the classical Sushruta tradition of Ayurvedic medicine and surgery. Ayurvedic texts were translated into Greek by Syndos, 300 BC, Tibetan and Chinese, 300 AD, Persian, 700 AD, and Arabic, 800 AD. It is important to realize that Ayurveda is not confined to herbal medicine only, it tackles the whole subject of life in its various ramifications, such as Punajanma, rebirth, renunciation, salvation, moksha, soul, atma. Let's understand the definition of Ayurveda. It is a science of maintaining positive health and eliminating disease state. Sushruta has defined health as samadosha, samagnishcha, samartu malakriya, prasanna atmandriyamana, swastha, ityabhidiyate. A person is healthy when he possesses, in normal state, the doshas, biological humors, agni, metabolic fire, and dhatus, body tissues, and malas, waste products, in his body and his soul, mind and organs of cognition and conation, are in perfect state of coordination, and his mental disposition is in happy and cheerful state. In next part we will learn about theory of evolution of life in Ayurveda.